And I no even know if na to just greet una for the country sef or to just lose guard all of una, especially my Nigeria youth. As in, I just wake up, I dey vex for all of una. I just dey vex from our celebrities, our all those our stars. I know you know the kind memory who just install one kind dead memory give una. Understand? Everybody dey see the kind shit, the kind things make e dey happen for the country side. All of una just dey pre ten d say nothing dey happen, and na to all dey talk shit. None of una dey do anything. None of una dey I dey see youth of my generation, youth of my time dey campaign, dey ginger for old men make e dey package themselves, make dem dey package their generation ago. My generation dey package old generation make e suppose don retire. Feel me? E dey pain me when I dey see all those things for internet among my youth make dem say dem get sense, make dem say dem still know small thing. As in, I no even know wetin dey worry all these people sef. I no even know wetin dey worry them. Even the government sef, the wetin, tell me why una be government, tell me why una be leader na to dey lead people from the way forward. Una dey carry us go back, dey destroy us. Una say una be leader. Wetin una dey lead? All this matter dey paro me because of the mismanagement. We comot for the country unto say we dey. He say e get one juju make e dey disturb the country, e get one juju make e no wan make the country move forward. Na when we come enter jan, we come e say na people be that juju. Na people be that juju make e no just wan make that country just go forward. And our people know all those people. Na even dem dey help dem dey carry their evil things make e dey affect you. You go help person carry am take affect yourself. They go pay you, you dey sell your future, your dignity, your pride, your riches, your wealth for kpai change make e no even suppose reach wetin suppose dey enter your hand. Last time, all those our celebrities, all those our entertainers, if dem fix naija say naija dey well, Wizkid go get money pass Jay-Z. No be say play, money dey that country. Wizkid go get money pass Jay-Z. Davido go get money pass Diddy. No be all those dem two face, no be all those dem D'banj dey come dey talk again. No be all those dem Idris, no be all those dem Alibi Baba. If dem fix Nigeria, say una join fix that country. I no just know the kind orientation wey dem install for una head. That thing e no good, e no dey work. The guy from Matan, make una get Akanuche, get upper, Dr. Mighty. Tell all these people say make dem get upper. For this our generation, this our lifetime, e no go good say if you still see Nigeria make sense. E no go good say the Dusty country join people may in fact make for that country to bam. I just wake up, I just dey paro. All these things just happen. People just dey live life, they waste life as in everybody just dey feel say as in you okay. What if na you die dey kill so? What if na you die so? How e go for be? How e go for be? You answer me, you Mr. Celebrity. How e go for be? You just dey the country, you no fit talk. You no fit talk say unto say you get one of two person for government make dey give you small small thing make e no even suppose reach your court on a normal level, on a normal ground. Because of that one you dey sell your dignity, you dey sell your riches, your wealth. Muna get orientation na once person dey live. The day you stop to dey talk, na that day you start to dey die. Our people dey pin our people for mouth, na there na that country start to dey die. Youth for diaspora dey many to full still talk sef, some dey fear, some dey shame. I just dey surprise anyhow it take be. I sabi package am, I no sabi package am, I go yarn my mind. Dey feel me? If I fit package am, I no fit package am, anyhow I take package am, the thing dey paro me, I go talk am the way e be. If you like, you say I no package am well, I'll tell you. All those kind things I no just know. I know all those people make dem say they go school, they get intellect, they get brain. You still dey learn no be lie you the all those your intellect make you say you get. If you fit apply am for the countryside, say make for the countryside to take bam, your everything are wasted. Cause along the line, if this corruption persist, the country, the society go consume am. They go consume all those your wealth, all those your riches, make you say you dey accumulate, and corruption go overshadow am pass the way you still sabi corruption reach. E dey pay me. Abeg una carry una